Hi everybody, this is Fred Eckert with Chicago Title once again, and today I was asked to speak about something called yank the land, also known in the title business as severed improvements. And the concept is very simple. Let's say that you have a property with a house on top of it. It's already billed separately. If you notice, you get a tax bill, particularly here in California. You'll have one for the land and you'll have one for the improvements. So the concept of yank the land is that you're selling the improvements, in other words, in this case, selling the house and keeping the land. And the way you make that work is this. Let's presume I have a $1.5 million home in Coronado, for example, and had somebody that desperately wanted to live here but can't afford $1.5 million. So I sell them the house for $500,000, which they can afford. I lease them the land based on, say, a value of $1 million. What I'm going to do to protect myself is I'm going to make sure that the lease payment is relatively minimal, meaning maybe 5 or 6%. I'm going to lease rate. I'm going to give them a lease for, say, 75 to 99 years, somewhere around that neighborhood, so that they can get a loan on the house that they're buying. I'm going to be the named insured on the property, so on their liability insurance, I'm a named insured. I have them pay for any tax increases, so I have that in the contract. And the other part that I want a notice of default right in case they're defaulting on the loan on the house payment. And again, the concept is this. You have now somebody that can buy the house, lease the land, live there long term. They have, if you will, the depreciating asset, the house, and I have the appreciating asset, the land. I'm able to keep that in my family. At the end of that 99 years or 75 years, whatever it is, if they decide they want to lift the house up and move it, maybe it's a good quality house, and just like many houses today are historical, can be moved and so forth. So we've satisfied a number of parameters. Now this would probably not work if there were not much equity on it, but somebody that maybe has lived in their house for a long period of time, wants some income, wants to keep property in the family, pass it along to the family, might be a great way to accomplish all that. So it's called Yank the Land, and I do want to thank somebody unfortunately passed away, A.D. Kessler, for that, bringing that concept, I think, into the forefront. And it is easy to do in the title business. What we actually do is we have a deed where the house is in fee and the land is, so parcel 2, the land is in leasehold interest. And we actually insure leasehold interests, so you can have an insured transaction, accomplish a number of different things using the yank the land or the severed improvements. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to call me at 619-507-5688 and make it a great day. Thank you.